This is a 1990 Saab 900, and I'm replacing the speedometer cable. What happens here is this brittle piece right there usually breaks off over time, or if you're trying to remove this the speedometer, it'll break off. So what you do is, in order to remove it, first of all, if you're gonna disconnect it, you open the speaker cover right there and you disconnect it from the back in here. Don't remove this speedometer cable and then remove it. So you disconnect it from back here in the back of the speedometer cable. So what I'm doing right now is I'm running it. I'm gonna run it all the way down into the transmission. There's a hole under the chassis that for it to go, and this covers this little rubber thing covers the hole where the chassis is. I'll probably end up putting silicone if I can't fit it correctly. But all you got to do is, and bear with me because I got to go into the vehicle to show exactly where it is. As you can see right here, that's the piece that connects to the gearbox, the transmission. I'm gonna run it through the hole and I'm gonna connect it in the gearbox. Now let me show you where in the gearbox it goes, so that have a better idea. Just bear with me a second. Okay, so and under the gearbox it's gonna connect right here. Right here is where it's going to, and I'm sorry about the lighting, but right here is where you're gonna plug it in, right here. So I wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions, send me a comment. Thanks.